We have 1 year as of tomorrow doing Thursday Inspirations Facebook Live event. So I'm very pleased to have this celebration. We're going to have some freebies. So again, I want to announce my winners. Deborah her number was 1, and she won the Be Effing Amazing lanyard. Angela's number was 4, and she won the Be Effing Amazing pop socket. And Rose, her number was 7, and she won the Be Effing Amazing sticker. I appreciate you all. I enjoy sharing this information with you every Thursday, and it really helps me to stay grateful, to spread the love, to help others. I really want to help everyone realize we don't have to be miserable. We don't have to be victims. We do have a responsibility, and we can be happy, healthy, wealthy, and in love with ourselves and with others as well. Oh, next week we will be just a few days away from our next event, which is the Arizona Ultimate Women's Expo. So I can't wait to see you there. So I hope you all will join me for that. We're going to be there the whole weekend. And I believe it's from 10 to 5 on Saturday and 11 to 5 on Sunday. So come visit us. We'll have a booth. I'll be doing some book signings for anyone that buys a book that day or that already has a book purchased ahead of time from Amazon. You can do an express lane and you won't have to wait. I will be giving away autographed bookmarks. We will be having some drawings as well for the digital courses that I have.